Thank you for calling Run Connect Internet. This is Janus. How can I assist you today?
Hi, this is Lawrence. My internet has been really slow for the past few days.
I completely understand your concern and I'd be happy to assist you. May I have your contact number for verification?
Sure, it's 785-4361.
Thanks. Let me pull up your account details. Got it. Now, let me run a quick diagnostic on your connection. I see your router has been running for over 14 days without a restart, which may be causing network congestion.
Oh, I didn't realize that. What should I do?
A simple router restart should refresh your connection. Let's do it that now. Just turn it off, wait 30 seconds, and turn it back on.
Okay, sir, I'll do it now.
Alright, let me check your connection again. Great! You should notice an improvement shortly. Also, I've sent you a link to the Run Connect Internet app. It lets you manage connected devices to avoid congestion.
Thank you for your help, Janus.
Happy to help. Let us know if you need anything else. Have a great day.
Thank you for calling One Connect Internet. This is Lawrence. How can I assist you today?
Hi, this is Mark Bersosa. I need help with my latest bill.
I'll be happy to check that for you, Mr. Versosa. May I have your account number for verification?
Sure, my account number is 564-8792.
Thank you. Let me pull up your details. Got it. How can I help you with your bill today?
I noticed my bill this month is higher. Can you check why?
I see that your 200 pesos promotional discount ended this month, so your bill has returned to the standard rate of 1,499.
Ah, I see. But honestly, my internet has been slow lately. Any option to improve it?
Absolutely, sir. Since you've been with us for over 2 years, we have an offer for you. You can switch our Fiber Plus plan for just 300 pesos more per month. You get the speed from 50 Mbps to 100 Mbps and unlimited data.
Alright, let's do it.
Alright, Mr. Versosa, let me process that upgrade for you. One moment, please. Alright, your plan has been successfully upgraded. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's all. Thanks, Lawrence.
My pleasure, sir. Thank you for choosing Run Connect Internet. Have a great day.